every day is so wonderful, then suddenly it's hard to breathe. Now and then I get insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. I am beautiful no matter what they say. Words can't bring me down. Oh no, no, no. I am beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring me down. Oh no, no, no. So don't you bring me down today. No matter what we do, no matter what we say, we're the song inside the tune, full of beautiful mistakes. And everywhere we go, the sun will always shine. And tomorrow we might awake on the other side, 'cause you are beautiful in every single way. Yes, words can't bring you down. Oh, no, no, no. So don't you bring me down. Don't bring me down today.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Elaine.
Laveka, you're a light, you're a talent, and you're also so poised. So it started off really strong, and Conroy and I were like, yes, girl, yeah, you. And it was really good. My concern with that performance was that it needed to crescendo. It needed to get more and more exciting as it went along. So it felt like it kind of plateaued at a point. Not that you're not awesome and all of that, but I think that when it comes on to arrangements and all of that, it could have had more of a punch. It could have left us on our feet. But you are an excellent talent.
Conroy.
Yes, it was a very beautiful rendition of the song. You sound beautiful. The notes were nice. What you did with it was nice, but I also felt like it could have built a little bit more than it did. But it was beautiful.
Yes. Anthony.
You chose the right songs last week. You didn't choose the right song this week. Sorry about that.